Hi there, my name's Jackie, and today I'm going to show you how to make a salve. Salves are really good because it's a great way to carry your oils in a more lotion type base. It gives you something easy that you can, I carry them in these little tins. You can just wipe across, you can spread them on, it works great. And you can also make a variety of recipes. So, several things you're going to need. I already did the melting part in a double boiler. There's several recipes online, first off. In a double boiler, you're going to put 2 tablespoons of beeswax, half a tablespoon of vitamin E, half a cup of almond oil and or coconut oil. I actually tend to do a 1/4 cup of coconut oil and a 1/4 cup of shea butter. I like shea butter for its moisturizing properties. And then you're going to do a half a cup of grapeseed oil. You're going to put that in the double boiler in a container. You're going to melt it over top. And then when you're done, you're going to pour it into a glass jar. I can actually show you what I have. There's my double boiler full of my butters and whatnot. So then we're going to take it and pour it into a glass container to make it easier to move around. Because it is hot. That'll make it a little bit easier to pour into your containers. And then instead of pouring your oils directly into the container of the shea butter and all, you're going to put it right into these little tins, and then you can make individual ones. So I'm just going to pour this and fill my tin about 3/4 of the way. Another option, if you need more, is these little glass jars are great. I use these all the time. These are really good for larger amounts. But today we're just going to do tins. So I'll do that. That. And a couple of the recipes that I use. Let's see. For a really good face lotion, for dry skin, for if you have any cuts, scratches, seasonal issues, I use a combination of frankincense, vetiver, myrrh, and lavender. And I put about 5 to 10 drops of each in there, depending on how strong you want it. Myrrh is a little bit hard to get out sometimes, so the myrrh is usually around 5 drops because I get tired by then. Another one I do is for aches and pains. I'll demonstrate this one. I'm going to do a deep blue, copaiba, and frankincense. So I'm going to put 5 drops of deep blue. And it doesn't matter if you do 1 or 2 more or less or whatever. It's whatever works for you. And I'm going to do some copaiba. Oh, that was 6 drops of copaiba. And then I'm going to do some frankincense. Oh, that was 8 drops of frankincense. Like I said, it doesn't really matter. And then I'm just going to stir it. If you have a wooden stirrer, those are great. I don't happen to have one here, so I'm just going to use a fork. It smells good. And you can see right there. And then you're just going to put the lid on and let that harden. And once it sets, you'll have a nice little salve. Another really good one is I make puppy paw wax, which is great for protecting your puppy's feet in cold conditions or really hot conditions. So ice and snow, or in the summer when the blacktop's hot, you can put that right on their feet. And same thing, I use frankincense and lavender, which are both safe for puppies, so I put that right on there, and that just kind of helps to protect their pads and keep them from getting yucky. Okay? And that's all I have. Have a great day.